Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. This is the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. In this video, I will just test one thing. That's the charging speed. I'll be using 12S Ultra's original 67 watts charger and a cable to charge it. At the same time, I will use this power meter to monitor the charging power during the whole process. By the way, I was going to use another super cool UGreen 65 watts gallium nitride charger to charge the phone and compare the charging speed. However, I found that because of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is so new for this UGreen charger and doesn't support its fast charging protocol. So I'm using this Black Shark 5 for comparison. It supports Black Shark's protocol. But what does this have to do with the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, you might ask? That's because I really love UGreen products. Check out the stand. This is the stand. I've covered it in my previous videos. Just so premium, so good. If I just, cover the brand, you might think this was made by Apple, right? And also they have cables and, lots of things. I will just put the link in the description. Definitely check it out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. 3% left. All right, okay. Now it's 29, 40 watts, 58. Yay! Can you reach the 67? I don't think so, right? This is 56, 55. All right, it maintains at 55. All right, almost 5 minutes. Let's check. Now it's 23%. 50 minutes, 51%. And now let's check the power meter. So it's around 25 watts. 25 minutes, 74%. 35 minutes, now it's 95%. Now, as you can see, the charging power decreased to 16 watts. Okay, so now just turn it to 100%. It takes 41 minutes. But as you can see, it's still charging. That means it shows you the 100%, but still it's charging. So it takes a while, still takes a while to fully charge, like get real 100%. But anyway, that's around 41, 42 minutes from 3% to 100%. It's charging now, and 44 watts, 45 watts. From 3 to 29% takes 5 minutes. 50 now, it's 50, so 10 minutes from 3 to 50%, and maintains at 46 watts. That's quite stable, right? That's quite stable. All right, 15 minutes, now it's 69%, as you can see. And the charging power still remains at, still remains at 48. It's even higher than before, right? 99%, 24 minutes. All right, that's it. 25 minutes from 3% to 100%. All right, so that's the video. I'm not sure if you are happy with the charging test results. To be honest, I'm a little bit sad with the 67 watts charger for the Mi 12S Ultra because it's a flagship, right? It's an annual flagship, and I think you need at least have to offer like 120 watts, right? But I gotta say the UGreen charger is beyond my expectation. UGreen didn't pay me, but I'm just surprised and didn't write a script before this video, right? So I'm pretty happy with it. It really charges really fast and provides stable charging power. Also, as you can see, this, like I said before, I really love the well-polished design, this elegant design. Everything is premium. You got 3 ports for you, and also foldable and small. It's much smaller than the Xiaomi 67 watts. And you know what? It not only charges phone, but also your laptop It charges my laptop. It's at 21 watts, so that's quite good. So like when you go outside traveling, just take one charger and solves all of this problem. Of course, you got to take this as well. Take this as well. I just love it. It's so premium, and you can, you know, basically pull it out, stop wherever angle you want. Just wow, smooth and tight. That's great. So, all right, that's the video. Oh, by the way, for which devices the UGreen supports fast charging, I will just list on the screen. You can check them out. All right, that's the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.